Good day, Earth Science students. Welcome to video lecture episode 10. Today we're going to finish off chapter 15, the last portion of section 3 of chapter 15. Now remember last time we met together we were talking about the different local systems, because remember we had talked broadly about global wind systems like over the Earth, but now we're looking more localized. And we talked about sea breezes as one of those local wind systems. Well, the other one is land breezes. Now at night, land cools much more rapidly than ocean water. Air over the land becomes cooler than air over the ocean. Cooler, denser air above the land moves over the water as the warm air over the water rises. Movement of the air towards the water from the land is called a land breeze. Now, if you look on slide 135 and 136, I have an image on there, and that's just illustrating how this concept does occur. And this does, of course, conclude chapter 15, section 3, as we finish the last portion of it there. Now, I did want to give you a little bit of a sneak preview in this lecture, just a little sneak preview, and we'll go in more depth next week, starting next week. All right, so Unit 7 is titled Astronomy, and in particular, we're going to cover Chapter 23, which deals with the Sun, Earth, and Moon systems. I believe these are most important to us as we live on the planet Earth. The Moon we're familiar with, and of course the Sun is our source of energy, as we've seen throughout the chapters. So in Section 1, we'll start off with this big main idea for Unit 7, that is, how are thunderstorms and neutron stars connected? I will get these slides up, so don't worry about that today. They will show up on Monday at the very latest. Now, we'll talk about the main ideas briefly and the objectives, and then we're going to stop today. The main ideas for Section 1 of Chapter 23 is this: Earth. We're going to talk about properties of Earth, what causes changing seasons. We're going to talk about solstices and equinox. Now, here's our three objectives on slide 5 and 6 of the new chapter. Objective 1, examine Earth's physical characteristics. Objective 2, differentiate between rotation and revolution. And objective number 3, discuss what causes seasons. So don't be concerned. I know I mentioned stuff from slides Section 1 of Chapter 23. Don't worry, I'll have those slides up. I'll either try to get them up today, or they'll be up as late as Monday morning. All right? You guys have a nice day, and I do hope this has been helpful. Thank you. Goodbye.